Lot 263 is the 1970 Mazda Cosmo Sport, the forefather to the RX-7, the RX-8. This is a rarity, an extremely high-revving twin rotary powered engine with a 5-speed gearbox. This one was restored in Japan, and only a handful exist in the US. I believe Jay Leno's collection has one as well. It's an engineering marvel and an absolute rarity, the rotary powered Cosmo Sport.
Everyone needs a rotary powered engine car in their collection, I think anyway. What do we say? Going to be sold without reserve, $100,000 to start me. 100,000 anywhere? 100,000, 50, sir. Thank you. 50 I have. 100, 100, thank you. 100,000 I have here, right in front of me at 100,000. Do I have 125 anywhere in the room? Well, I'm selling the car, ladies and gentlemen, at $100,000 only. I cannot quite believe it. At $100,000. It's selling here on my left. It's offered without reserve, and it's here to be sold. It's such a pretty little car. Well, it's going then, ladies and gentlemen. It's selling at $100,000. Do I have any advance? 110 anyway? Rotary power? Nope. Well, I'm selling on my left at $100,000. 110? 110, thank you. 110, 120 anywhere now. 120 anywhere now. I've got 110,000, and right here in front of me, and it's going for the first time at 110, and I'm selling right here for the second time, for the third and the last time at $110,000. If I have no better bids, so we're all done. I'll finish at 110. Yep, right here in front of me at 110, and we're all done. I'll finish, last chance, at 110,000. Sure, all done, I'll finish, I will sell. Can't do that, I can do 5 if you like. With a smile, though. I'll take that as a no, I tried. 110 then. Sold your car, well done. Thank you. Can I get a number, please, for me? 763, did he say? 0760.